want to show everyone our camera crew for the day?
Well, it's like Inception.
Here's our makeshift tripod. Got a washer in the phone case.
Well, I think it's time to go side skirts next. It's kind of the least sexy part of this whole thing, but then that'll give us the nugget we need to then move on to the wing.
Alright.
I think it's gonna be easy. I think the side's gonna be the easiest part.
Say that now, but he's gonna use words. Also note that this is the second day that we've unintentionally matched.
Today's blue day. So we start like here.
I was having a hard time seeing your vision, but I see it now.
Yeah. Just gonna come up with this. If there's a piece sitting there and they're tight, when this opens, it's gonna hit that outside. Or do we highlight? Do we be the first ones to pioneer and fill a body seam with steel stick? That'd be cool. We built some cool side scoops at ABS.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're doing that.
Okay.
And we're gonna cut NACA ducts in this thing somewhere too, because I just like saying the word NACA ducts. Canards. All right, Taylor has been filling our door gaps here with steel stick, so we're gonna turn this, well, technically 5-door into a 3-door hatchback. So she's mixing up the steel stick and stuffing it in there. You won't be able to see this later. Nice work, Taylor. And then I am working on these. I guess I'd call them side skirts. I don't know anything about body kits if that's not already completely obvious. All right, so there we go. We've got the beginnings of our little side skirts here. You're gonna make the caps for the fronts of these, and then move on to the fenders here. So my goal was to have this kind of come down and die into this piece here, and we're well on our way. And then we just gotta recreate it on the other side. Okay, so for this little piece, it's obviously dangling in the wind here. We're gonna take some steel stick and just like jam it in the corners to give it the little lateral brace, and then epoxy the corners, and then later on we'll add some actual bracing into the car later once we get it up in the air and can add better access to it. But man, I really like the way that's taking shape.
What do you got going on?
They look good. I'm just replicating what we've done here on the other side.
Nice. Think Andy gets jealous that his pals are hanging out all day? Think he gets jealous and lonely?
He's doing farm work.
He just sent me a picture from the post office.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can come up here.
Nothing like burning plastic fumes to get you through the morning.
All right, so the side skirts on both sides pretty much completed. Taylor is now throwing some of the classic there on the seam, trying to kind of stitch them together, and I am continuing on with the rear fender. So basically this is gonna, we've already cut the little tabs into the side of the car. We'll bend them over and then stick these suckers on there. We'll check back in and show it to you in a minute. I'm making a cardboard template for this last piece right here to cover up the rear fender. After Taylor got them all kind of preliminarily glued and screwed on there. But there's the outline of my fender, and then I'm gonna do the shape I want it to come out, and then I'll transfer that shape to some ABS plastic. Boom, artiste. Burrito.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, so you can see the sides, side skirts, rear fenders, getting tied together with the JB Weld Classic on there now. So that being said, the next thing to take a look at is the wing. I think it's about scaled in the right size for this rear piece, and so now we're gonna start taking this template, transfer it into some ABS plastic, and then attach it with some JB Weld. Let's go!
Okay, this is what I don't understand. So a wing, you have like a cross piece and then two sides and then something that holds it?
Yeah,
So this is the side.
this would be the side.
Okay, and it would come out this much.
I'm gonna put it all the way up to this side, yeah, the
Okay,
fenders.
you want it that big.
That big, it's
Okay.
huge. This is kind of the pied de resistance of this car.
Okay.
Form the arms, and then the back arms will then predict how the curve's gonna be, and we'll attach it to that, and then we'll stick these directly to the wang-a-lang itself.
Is that construction next door or the tractor coming?
No, it sounds like Tractor Man, yeah.
Yeah!
You can see the gravel.
Uncle Andy's here. Uncle Cousin Andy.
That looks nice. Looks tenacious. It looks fast.
You gonna go to Seaman with me?
Yeah, I'll go out there. I'm gonna live in the desert.
Okay.
Clean ribbon. Oh, you're gonna seal this door up.
Yeah.
Does that make it a coupe?
I think a 3-door hatch.
A 3-door hatch?
We're just gonna make a scoop on the side here to cover up the door handle.
Oh, good, good.
So one of the big parts that's gonna make or break the stability of this wing, because we're asking for thin ABS plastic to do a lot, which is basically create downforce. That being said, are we gonna be going fast enough to actually create downforce? No, but it should not be like, you know, embarrassingly flimsy off the back of this thing. So we're gonna make it out of 3/16 ABS, which still, you know, it's still plastic. On the main struts here, and then find a way to tie into here. We also want to make sure that this hatch is still functional. We want to be able to lift it and close it, and so it has to be able to clear this little toppy view thing. So I'm gonna get to cutting these little main struts out, and then we'll basically then design the curvature of the wing, and then throw the sides on, and then we've got I don't know, like a semblance of a rally car.
How are you gonna attach that son of a bitch?
JB Weld, 2-part epoxy. Good spot.
Oh, looks good.
Oh, we gotta finish this car. We lose the shop.
Oh, dang.
Oh, man.
Oh, we lost the shop. Oh,
Wait, no shit.
oh, it does. Look, it's got little
Yeah, the
things.
window ain't gonna open now. Shit.
Aw.
Is there a button for it? Oh, maybe turn it one way or the other. Whoa. This could be like a little wing inside the big wing. You gonna reroute these windshield wiper fluids into the cabin and fill it full of whiskey?
I suggested we turn the old handles into a keg tap.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
A lot of R&D is gonna have gone into this thing. This, you want me to see how strong this is? Lock? It's locked. That's not locked. Okay, I'm gonna go back on the tractor.
Okay, I think we got our wing support. We fabricated. I'll have to make another one of these. And then we're thinking we're probably gonna have to add some sort of like triangulated aspect of the back of this thing, because otherwise it's gonna want to wobble back and forth, and it's not steel. So we have to get as good a shot as we can give her.
You think you're all the talent?
Why don't you give us an outro? For
You
the
think
day?
you carried? Okay. You want me to put on my tape, Morgan?
I want you to tell.
Let me put on my tape, Morgan. All right. So we just finished up the day. We got our PBRs in hand. Let me just show you what we got going on. Oh wait, we need some of this kind of camera action. So we got our front fenders on, but today we added these side fenders. Side fenders?
Skirts,
Yeah, side fenders. We added these nice side skirts, and by we, Taylor did most of that steel stick. Probably 30 containers of steel stick. Really good stuff.
Stick the crap out of that.
We talked about our wing. Got those cut out real nice, so tomorrow we can just get back at it, get these stuck on, and get, you know, a nice wing going. Nice wing. Yeah, nice wing. If you check out this other side, got it matched. So yeah, real happy with today. We got Uncle Andy on the tractor smoothing out Kate's.
Man, I'm just out of the job completely now. Head fabricator, head camera holder, and host. I'm just gonna go sit and drink this delicious PBR. Watch me now.
All right, we're out.
You guys sign out.
And cut.
You've never watched that?
Like, I know the cultural reference.
Yeah. Like, hey, welcome to my crib.
Oh, like, hey, welcome to Tate's Gravel. Today there were 2 piles, and now there's no piles, but it's all nice and smooth. We got flat gravel. This is a 3/4 minus. It's got a lot of gray in it. This is more of a Oregon blend. It's not the blue 5/8 that you're gonna see up in Washington. That's more of a Washington ODOT standard up there. Maybe WDOT? I don't even know what they call that. Anyway, we got good gravel here. Get good compaction, good gambling on it. ABG.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Is that what you wanted, Karen? What I love is, like, you're sitting here and you're going back, forth, back, forth, back, forth, and you're like, God, this looks like shit. And then all of a sudden it starts to smooth out, and then you drive down to get a beverage at the end of the day, and when you come back and you get to see your work, it's like, perfect. That's awesome.